first Soul Steals hype box of 2019. This one is going to be $1,000, and I really can't remember the last time we did a hype box, man. I feel like it's been like at least 3 weeks or like 4 weeks by now. But we do have a $1,000 one now, so hopefully we got some good stuff in here. Anyway, $1,000 Hypebeast mystery box coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with the first Soul Steals hype box of 2019. Last year was a great year for Soul Steals hype boxes, guys. We made a lot of profit on that. Thinking about maybe making a video where I show you guys like the entire profit of it, but I'm not sure how I would like go about doing that yet because a lot of items haven't sold yet because I'm sitting on them because I want them to like accrue in value and stuff. So it's really hard to get like a final valuation. Same thing with beater boxes, but that's okay. We're gonna keep opening them up anyway. Before we get into the Hypebeast mystery boxes though, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. You guys have heard me talk about RGB a lot in the past, and I can't reiterate enough like just how great these products are, man. You guys can see over here, I'm actually wearing like that angel necklace today because I've been getting emails talking about like, oh, I can't really see what you're wearing because like the wing necklaces and stuff were like a lot smaller. So I decided to get one of the bigger pieces this time around, and it's like matching against that OVO shirt, you know, like wings, owl, wings. There's a connection there. Anyway, it is a nice piece though, and it is in rose gold. A lot of the stuff that I typically wear is more of like the black kind of things like this. But the rose golds are obviously really nice as well, and especially against like this black shirt. So I'll definitely check out their website. If you guys click that link in the description below, you will get 25% off your order, but you need to click that link in the description below to get that discount. The website's really dope. Everything is very minimalistic on there, so it matches with like whatever you're wearing very seamlessly, and that's what I love about it, man. So check it out. I really, how much release was that? That was a lot of release. I can't stress enough how great the products are, guys. And the prices are even better, so I would highly recommend you guys check it out. And all of that being said, we have our hype box. If you guys are new to the channel in 2019, these Hypebeast mystery boxes are purchased exclusively from SoulSteals.com. Soul Steals is a membership website where you pay $20 a month for the opportunity to buy these hype boxes and shoes for discounted prices. I'm gonna put that in the description as well, just for the first timers that have never seen this kind of stuff before, which I'm sure you guys all have by now. What are we hoping for? Wait. What are we hoping for? Box logo in a $1,000 box? I'm not too sure. There might be shoes in here actually, so let's see. First box of 2019. $1,000. Okay, so I think there's literally 2 items in here. I've never seen a hype box with just 2 items. One of the items is a Jordan 1 box. You guys can see right here. It is in a size 11. I'm assuming it's shadows. This is what the shadow tag looks like. Watch this. Jordan 1 shadows. This is the 2018 version that just came out. Obviously, there's not a lot of great resale value on these things, especially for size 11 for some reason. So I've been like hoarding a lot of these because honestly, the shadow model is like one of my favorite designs. I really just like neutral tones, so this black and gray kind of look is like the best thing for me. But yeah, in terms of resale, not too high, but obviously I think they will go up over time. It's a good shoe to hold on to, and that's like kind of what I was alluding to earlier on in this episode, talking about like what is my final valuation for how much I made off of hype boxes in 2018. I typically hold most Jordan 1s just because I know for sure Jordan 1s go up in value over time. So if you guys can hold them, they'll go up. A good example of this is those Spider-Man Jordan 1s, which they were not seeming like they were gonna go for a lot of money in the early going. Now even the big sizes are going for 300, and the smaller sizes like 8, 8.5 I think are going for like almost 4, which is insane because nobody thought that in the beginning. So holding over time works, especially for the classic retro pairs. So Jordan 1 shadow, you guys see it on the counter over here. I'm assuming it's like what, 200 bucks, something like that. And guys, there really was only 2 items in here, and this is probably going to be the fastest hype box we will ever have in 2019. It is what it is. Anyway, you guys want to see what's in here? Let's check it out. Bam. Supreme box logo hoodie in a size large, and it is that gray hoodie with that orange BOGO across. I'm not sure if we got this specific color before. I know we've got a couple BOGOs in the past, mainly a lot of like Supreme North Face in the past, but box logos are cool too, right? Did we call it? I think we called it. Anyway, Supreme box logo, you guys know what it is. This one, I believe, is going for quite a bit of money. Let me just check it out real fast on StockX. All right, so we're looking for the gray one with the orange box logo. All right, so these are going for about $900. And again, just like Jordan 1s, box logos over time typically raise in value. That's another thing that I'm probably gonna hold or, you know, consign at like my local consignment shop because you can get better prices over there than you can like selling through StockX or Goat and stuff like that. So I highly recommend you guys check out all your options when you're reselling. If you guys are in Hawaii, Truce is obviously one of the best consignment shops on the island. That that's my suggestion to you guys. This was a very, very fast hype box. I don't know how you guys feel about it. There was like 2 things on here. I've never seen that before ever on a video. So 2019 starting off really weird, but it's okay. We got 2 hype items and that's dope. Go down to the comments below. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on it. Let me know what kind of boxes you guys want to see in the future. Do you guys want to see laced up boxes? Do you guys want me to try to check out other sites? We saw Saru General in the past as well. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. If you guys have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you guys want to see a whole bunch of hype boxes in the future for 2019. Alright, I guess that's it. That was a very quick box. Anyway, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys check out Rose Gold and Black, linked in the description below. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!